Ever wondered how I turned myself into this 3D Pixar-style avatar that actually talks? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own. A few days ago, we released a full video where we showed how to create a complete 3D Pixar-style animation using only free AI tools. We started getting comments like, how did I make that animated avatar of myself actually talk? So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process how I create my own 3D cartoon-style avatar with full lip syncing. By the way, if you're new here, I'm George and I run this channel together with my friend Lasha. For the most part, we've been focused on creating high-quality coding tutorials from HTML, CSS and JavaScript to React, Next.js, Tailwind CSS and full web projects. But lately, we've also been diving into the world of AI-powered creativity because, let's be honest, AI is evolving crazy fast and it's opening up some amazing opportunities for developers and creators like us. So on this channel, you'll find both solid web development tutorials and also fun, powerful AI experiments that help you level up your skills from a whole new angle. Also, I just want to give you a little heads up. We've been working on something really exciting behind the scenes, and in the upcoming videos, we're going to reveal some big news that we can't wait to share with you. So if you don't want to miss it, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and of course, like this video if you're enjoying it so far, and let us know in the comments what kind of AI content or coding tutorials you'd love to see next. Alright, let's get back to the fun part, creating your own animated 3D Pixar-style avatar that talks. Now there are a few steps involved and we'll be using a couple of free tools along the way. The very first thing we need is an image, the base visual of our character. And for that we're going to use ChatGPT. Thanks to the new image generation capabilities built into ChatGPT, you can now generate all kinds of visuals, from logos and paintings to infographics, diagrams, and of course, 3D cartoon-style characters like the one I'm using. If you're curious to learn more about how to create different types of images with ChatGPT, we actually made a separate video where we explore those options in detail. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check it out later. But for now, let's focus on creating our character image, the foundation of your animated avatar. So first things first, before we dive into animation or lip syncing, we need to start with the image we want to turn into a 3D Pixar-style character. This is going to be the core of your avatar, so take a moment and choose a photo you like. In my case, I just picked a frame for one of my videos where I'm talking in front of the camera. Well, it's not a perfect photo, but that's totally fine. What really matters is that it clearly shows your face, because the AI will use that to create the stylized version. Now, once you've got your image ready, the next step is to write a prompt that will transform it into a 3D Pixar-style cartoon character. So, let's go ahead and write a prompt. Create a 3D Pixar-style character portrait based on the attached photo. Maintain the same clothing and pose. Make the guy bald but keep the beard. Use a landscape format 16, 9, and 19, 20, 1080 pixels with soft cinematic lighting and a modern blurred studio background. Now we just wait a few moments for the image to generate, and here it is. Well, pretty cool, right? A super fun and stylized 3D Pixar style version of me. Now if you're not completely happy with your first result, no worries, you can simply tweak the prompt and regenerate the image until you get a version you like. You might want to adjust the lighting, background, or add more detail depending on your goal. But in my case, this one works perfectly, so I'm going to go ahead and keep it and move on to the next step. In our previous video, the one where I showed how to create full animated cartoon scenes using AI, I used a tool called Halo AI. If you want to check that out, the link is in the description. In this case, I'm going to use another tool called Kling AI, which is also really powerful for creating talking avatars and short AI-generated videos. Both tools work on a credit-based system, and the good news is they both offer free credits when you sign up. With Halo AI, you get 1100 free credits right away, and an extra 100 credits every day just for logging in. It's actually one of the most generous AI video platforms I've come across, and you can create a good number of short clips before needing to upgrade. With Kling AI, the free tier gives you 166 credits when you create an account. It's not as much, but still enough to generate a couple of videos, test things out, and decide if it's the right tool for you. So now I'm going to jump into Kling AI and show you exactly how to animate our Pixar-style character using that platform. Once you navigate to the Kling AI website, you will land on the main page. From here, the first thing you need to do is click the Create button, which takes you to the video generation interface. Now let's walk through the page together. On the left-hand side, we have all the main controls. At the top, make sure you're under the Image to Video tab, since we are animating a still image, not generating video from scratch. You'll see a section where you can either click drag or paste your image to upload it. Below that, there is also a history option, which allows you to reselect from previously uploaded images. If you scroll down, you'll find the prompt box. This is optional, but it's where you can describe the creative direction for your animation. You can write how you want the character to move, the vibe of the voice, facial expressions, and so on. Under the prompt area, there are a few drop-downs for settings like motion style, video duration, and number of outputs. I usually leave the motion style on standard, select a duration of 10 seconds, and keep one output, just to test first. Finally, there is the big green generate button at the bottom. This will send your request off to Kling's servers and start creating your animated video. Now, looking over at the right hand side, you can see the preview area. This is where all your generated videos will appear once they are ready. So, at this point, we're ready to animate our Pixar-style avatar. All we need to do now is upload our image, type in a short script, and click generate. First, we're going to upload the image we generated earlier, the Pixar-style character version of me. Just drag and drop it into the upload box on the left side, or click to browse for the file. Once it is uploaded, we'll move down to the prompt section, and here is what I'm going to type. Animate this 3D character talking in a friendly and relaxed tone, as if explaining something interesting to the viewer. This prompt helps guide Kling AI to make the animation feel natural and conversational, not stiff or robotic. Now take a look at the settings below. I've selected standard mode, 10-second duration. In this case, we are charged 40 credits for generating a 10-second video. It's not too bad considering the quality you get. Once everything is ready, go ahead and hit that big green generate button. Now, depending on your internet speed and the current load on the platform, it might take a little while, especially if you're on the free plan. But that's totally fine. Just be patient and let the system do its thing. You can also explore other tabs or prepare your next script while it processes. And here we go. Our video is ready. Let's hit preview and check it out. Well, honestly, this is super fun and well done. The animation looks smooth and the character actually feels alive. For a completely AI-generated free tool, this is very impressive. Now that we've got our animated 3D avatar ready, it's time to make it even more realistic by adding lip sync. This step will bring our character to life by syncing the mouth movements with actual voice audio. To get started, you need to click the lip sync button located just below the video preview. Once you do that, a new panel will pop up with several settings. Here, Kling AI offers a selection of built-in voices, both male and female, with different tones and professions and more. These are great if you want to generate a voice automatically from a script, but in our case, we're going to use something even better, my own voice recording. To do that, click the button labeled Upload Local Dubbing. This allows you to upload your own pre-recorded audio file directly from your computer. Once the audio is uploaded, you will see two icons. One to edit the audio. Here you can trim the beginning or end if needed, or adjust its length to match the scene. And one to delete it. Make sure to preview your trimmed audio and ensure it aligns with the tone and timing of your animated avatar. Once you're happy with how everything sounds and fits, just hit the generate button. For this part, Kling AI will charge you 10 credits, which is quite reasonable for syncing custom audio with animation. As usual, it might take a few minutes to process, especially if you're on a free plan, but once it's ready, you will get a polished, lip-synced animated video with your own voice. Ever wondered how I turned myself into this 3D Pixar-style avatar that actually talks? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own. And let me tell you, this part really makes the avatar feel alive. It's one thing to see it move, but once it starts talking with your own voice, that's next level. Once you're happy with the final lip-sync animation, the next step is to download the video. Simply click the download icon here, and the video will start saving to your device. Now once we open and play the downloaded video, you will immediately notice something, the watermark. That's expected since we use the free plan on Kling AI, but here is the good news. Because our video is only 10 seconds long, we can remove that watermark 100% for free. And let me show how. There is a great tool called Animating AI, and it allows you to remove watermarks from AI-generated videos. On the free plan, it only supports videos up to 5 seconds in length. So what we will do is split our 10-second video into 2 separate 5-second clips. To do this, I'll be using CapCut, but feel free to use any video editing software you're comfortable with. Cutting a video is a simple task and most editors can handle it easily. Since I already work in CapCut, I'll stick with it. Now make sure to split the video precisely at the 5-second mark because once we merge the two parts back together, they should play seamlessly without any noticeable jump or glitch. Alright, once both parts are ready, we head over to the Animating AI website, upload the first part and wait for the processing to complete. When it's done, you will see two options. Download 5-second preview video, which is free, and download full video, which requires a premium upgrade. Since our video is 5 seconds long, we can just download the preview version for free, and just like that, the watermark is gone. Let's do the same process for the second part as well. It's just as quick and straightforward, so I won't show it on screen again to save some time. Now that both Kling video clips are ready, let's open CapCut once more and combine them back into a single video. Just drag them to the timeline in the correct order. Before we wrap it up, there is one final touch I want to add, captions. To do that, click on Captions and then hit the Generate button. CapCut will automatically create subtitles based on the audio. Once the captions are ready, review them carefully and correct any small errors in timing or text. Then we can style them up a bit. Since this is a playful cartoon-style animation, I'm going to use a font called Jerky. It has a fun and quirky vibe that fits the theme perfectly, but of course you can choose any font that suits your video style. Next, let's add an animation to the captions. Go to the Animation tab and select one. I'm going with the animation called Word Frame, which adds a nice animated entrance to each subtitle. Actually, there are plenty of options, so feel free to explore and pick the one you like best. Lastly, I'll change the background color of the captions to a more greenish tone to match the overall style of the character and background. That's it. The video is ready. Let's go ahead and render it and then watch the final result together. Ever wondered how I turned myself into this 3D Pixar-style avatar that actually talks? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own. Alright, so that's the entire process from creating a 3D Pixar-style avatar image, animating it, syncing it with your own voice, removing the watermark for free, and styling it all together in a final polished video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video, comment down below what you'd like to see next, more AI tools, animation tutorials, or something completely new. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss upcoming videos. We've got some exciting things planned. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.